YouTube going live already.
Okay, so we're live. Hi guys, we're just live. I'm just going to go live on YouTube, just a minute. So this is showing we're live on YouTube. Now at the moment we haven't got anybody watching because it'll pop up here. YouTube is just about to go live. Sometimes if the internet connection isn't brilliant, it might take a while. So there's Amanda. Hi Amanda, we're live. We're just waiting to go live on YouTube. So anyone who's in your community, so today, come on YouTube. So we're going live, it's informal video. It's unedited so that everybody watching can see everything that goes wrong. And
goes well.
And goes well, and everything that goes well, yeah. It's about building up that community and building up your personality in that community. Oh, Heather's watching us. Oh, hi Heather, hi. So Heather and Amanda are part of my Facebook group, so this is going live into my private Facebook group. It's not going live onto my pages. My Kirsty, the YouTube, is it because it's on a different network? Which Wi-Fi is it on? So we're just trying to get live onto our YouTube channel.
Guest one? No,
Should that be quite fast?
No, the guest one's the one we're all using.
No, you should all be on the Sanctuary one.
Oh, right, okay.
Which was the faster one.
Right, okay.
But that didn't appear on your list.
Is that Chalky behind us? Oh, is it?
Who said that?
So we are trying to go live on YouTube. It's not working as it's... So we're on guest, where it's not going to work on guest. Okay, we'll just be live on Facebook. So, hi guys, we are live from Warrington Business Hub. There's Kirsty. Do you want to say hello, Kirsty? We can move you. There's Kirsty.
Actually interacting from our
There's
page.
Kirsty.
Good morning.
And then what I'm doing today is I've just run my Facebook workshop at Lim Colony. At the Colony, the Lim Business Hub for Colony. And we've got Eric. Do you want to say hello, or do you rather not be in the picture? So this is everyone. I'm just demonstrating live video, how we do live video.
Hello. Hello.
So we thought we'd do that as a quick one. So you guys are our guinea pigs. And so yeah, we've been learning a lot about Facebook today and what you can do and what you can't do. And I thought it'd be great if we just had a little chat really about what people have learned, what tips you might have come up with, and what useful helps and tips you can share with the group. If you've got anything from today. All very positive, obviously. So we've had a couple of volunteers. I don't know if you want to grab a chair or...
There's the chairs.
Any chairs?
You're on a chair, Laura, so you can go first.
No, I'll give my chair up.
Not everybody wants to come live today, which is understandable. Feel free to grab a biscuit and a coffee. So we've got our setup here at Lim. We've got to introduce yourselves. We'll do one at a time.
Good morning, I'm Wendy Hayes, here to learn loads about Facebook and have done. I guess as a business, I was probably being too business-like, and so the big takeaway for me is to just get a better blend of about me as a person and things that my group will be interested in, not just keeping that business hat on all the time. So yeah, looking forward to going and getting on with some of this stuff. Obviously trying a live feed.
Yeah, try live feed.
At some point. So yeah, top tip, be fluffier and let your inner personality out and yeah, engage with everybody out there.
Yeah, no, absolutely. People buy from people, so it's really important as a business to show who operates that business. There's such a crowded market these days that if ultimately you've got to compete with everyone. How can you compete when your products and your services are similar? The only way you can compete is by showing who you are and who you are as a people behind that business. That's the only way you can really shine through.
Yeah, that's me then.
Okay,
Next.
thank you. All right, next one. Introduce yourself, Chalky.
Yeah, Chalky White. I have the Charles Partnership, which those of you know me, there's a number of different things. I've taken about 40 lines of actions away from today already. Yeah. All these suggestions, we're going to be busy, but I've got a bit more time to do it now because I had a very busy year, which finished on Saturday, which was not a business thing. It was something out of business, but now I've got time to concentrate on other business things. I can't believe how many things I've taken at note of and how many suggestions you've given us today, Bex. Because I thought I knew Facebook. Obviously not.
No, there's a lot of people think they know Facebook.
Okay.
I know when I offer these workshops out and it's like, no, it's all right, we know how to use Facebook. And a lot of people do know how to post on Facebook because it's very similar, obviously, to your personal pages. But behind the scenes, putting your keywords in, where to put your keywords, which bits need to fill in, and how to schedule and things like that. A lot of people don't know.
Yeah, very simple things. A lot of things are, but unless you don't know them,
Yeah.
they're not simple.
Yeah. So that's good. So lots of actions.
Lots of actions, yes.
Anyone else brave enough to come on my live feed today?
No.
Dave's just gone out the door. Oh, here we go. It's an opportunity to promote your services. Here we go.
Hi, I'm Jeanette Hine. I'm a sports massage therapist, mobile in Lim. I have got a page on Facebook, but I have to say I've learned so much more from today. It's been fantastic. It's knowing, as Chalky actually said, which bits to use and like all the insights that you've heard about insights, but you've not really know where to go and find them or how to use them. And I think the bit about tell your story, I had no idea that was on there really, and just passed it by. And knowing to put pictures on there and how to get our story about what we do, I just think that was a top tip that was obviously quite obvious to most people, but if you're not used to the page.
Not obvious to not many people, to be honest.
Do you think
Yeah,
so?
no, most businesses don't fill in the story or think about telling their own story on Facebook. They keep it very formal, much like a website, and the majority of businesses do that. They treat it as a website rather than a social media page and a Facebook page where everyone wants to see your face.
Yeah, and I suppose it's a format for chatting really, isn't it, as well? And I think, yes, you're right, I think we see it more as a website page as opposed to putting yourself out there.
Yeah,
So,
and getting feedback from your customers.
and what they want. Yeah, that was really good. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's fantastic.
Great.
Talk us through the setup that you've got, these gadgets.
The setup, yes. So that's a good question. So today I was going to try and stream live to YouTube as well, but we haven't got, the internet connection is not quite working, so we're just live on Facebook. So here I've got, down here, it's my laptop. Here, there is my webcam. So normally that webcam would be streaming live to YouTube. My phone, which is what you guys are watching on, is the camera for my phone is streaming live to Facebook. And then here we have an external microphone, and this basically makes sure that the sound is picking up our voices rather than background sound. So if there was, a noisy background room, I could have taken this and these guys could have been chatting, but ultimately it's just going to pick up my voice this way, so it just gives you a much better sound quality. And I'm on a little stand as well, so I've got my phone actually on a little tripod. I'll show you my little tripod. So there's my phone on a little tripod there. So that is the setup we have. So ultimately I can take that anywhere. Normally I have my studio at home where I do a lot of the recording. And when you set up your studio as well, I set all my pictures at head height. So if you go into my studio, you'll be like, why are your pictures so low? It's because when I sit down, all my pictures are at this height. So it looks good, so I can sit down and live stream. But ultimately, I can take it anywhere. So if anyone wants to offer to live stream, we're going to end now, because obviously I'm just finishing off this workshop here at Lim. But ultimately, you guys are going to be invited to this group where I do live stream every Monday at 12:30, although I won't be doing for the next couple of weeks. There'll be some pre-recorded on there because I've promised the kids I'll take a bit of time out. So I don't fancy them joining me on the live stream. So the next couple of weeks, probably not. So if anyone wants to volunteer to live stream into the group, offer some tips, 12:30, please feel free to jump in and live stream because that would be great. So if there's any offers for that. So ultimately, this group is to ask questions. If you've got any questions following today, post them on there. Post good practice, any good content you've had, please do post it on. I love people to ask questions or say, next week, could you talk about this topic? Because I'm not sure about this. you know, this group is for you guys if you've got questions, need help, or want to share great experience, or if you've got any problems, stumbled across anything interesting, like glitches where the search bar doesn't work, then I can help you with that. So yes, please do use my group for your benefit, basically. I don't like to do all the talking, unfortunately. So yes. So we're going to sign off now. So nice to see you all. We're going to sign off. Do you want to all say bye?
Bye.
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 Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Thanks, guys, and see you again soon. Bye. Oh, no, must not keep thumb on and try and press finish.